Hi friends, I hope everyone is okay. And today I'm going to prepare futari from this product. It's called futari mchanganyiko or mixed futari. Futari is a common food in East African region, especially in Tanzania. Been very much used by Muslims, especially the time they attend time of fasting. So during the evening they eat futari to open up their day because they've been fasting the whole day, and then at night they eat futari. So it's one of the good menu for the one who are fasting. The one who is not eaten the whole day, they can start by futari. But also it is used also by sick people, especially those one who are in need of special care. Futari is a typical food for the sick people, especially those who need starch, lot of starch energizers. So here we are going. I'll prepare futari for you. Futari mixed from called banana and arrows roots, from sweet potatoes, from pumpkin, and also I'll use Irish potato. So here we go. We start by peeling the arrowroot, and then the procedure will follow. So welcome to my channel. Please don't forget to subscribe, to comment, to contribute, because it's good also other people know what you think. Sometimes it's good to share our knowledge, as long as knowledge is power. So welcome aboard and watch this special meal that I'm going to prepare. I forgot also, we need also a little of carrots, and also I will use groundnuts stuff to make it what is called futari. You can use coconut, but now I'm going to use only groundnuts or peanuts, other people used to call it. So thank you, continue watching, and we are together.
girls with their nails done now. Girls with their nails done. I like the girls with their nails done. Girls with their nails done. I think the girls with their nails done now. Girls with their nails done. I think the girls with their nails done. Girls with their nails done.
the sun. To dream, believe in strength. Now I'm the only one, only one. I was an ordinary boy until I broke the rules. My life destroyed, a life destroyed. Until I walk awake, scream my mind, I shout, the ground shakes. How much can I take? My mind will break. Will it break? Can I take? Can I be your superhero?
And now FUTARI is over. It's time to take it away, ready to serve. So thank you for watching. Please subscribe. I'll bring you some other version of cookery, so you will also learn something from it. So subscribe, comment, and also you can contribute also if something you saw was missing, and I thank you. So welcome again. This is Harry 16M. Until next time.